I'm testing my EOS R6. I have it on a small rig, half cage. I attach a hot shoe extension to the half cage, and the extension has two cold shoes. I have the Rode VideoMic on one, the NTG one, and I have the H1N Zoom recorder on the other. The Zoom recorder is back up for the Rode shotgun microphone. I'm going to use this setup at weddings and other events for video, and I'm testing it now. I'm going to do several tests around town to see how well this works. I'm using the Sirui monopod. I'm trying to keep this rig minimalistic and lightweight so I can travel. I have a wedding out of town. I'm going to fly there, and I'm going to bring this setup because it's lightweight. On the Sirui, I took off the Manfrotto H02, I think, head, which is huge and weighs like 5-6 pounds, and put a small ball head so that I can carry this on an airplane on a carry-on bag. Also, the settings on the camera, I'm shooting on C-Log 3, which is what I usually shoot. I set the camera at 60 feet, so I'm shooting at 125 of a second, and the lens is wide open 2.8, which is usually the way that I shoot. So I can get as much light into the sensor as possible indoors. And of course, once I choose C-Log 3 on the R6, the ISO goes to 800 ISO, which is the base ISO. I don't think there is anything else to say. Obviously, the Sirui monopod has 3 legs on the bottom. That makes it kind of like a mini tripod. And that's all I have to say for now. I will do some more tests around town to see how well this works. There's not much wind right now, so as you can see, I'm hands off, and the camera is just standing there on the monopod. We'll see if there is any movement on when I get home and I watch it on the computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumb up. I need all the help I can get. I need all the help I can get. Thank you. This is a real quick logging test. I have the R6 set on the Sirui monopod, and I'm holding it with my right hand, and I'm walking around, and I'm logging to see how the image stabilization works. I have the RF 16mm 2.8, which has IS, plus the IBIS on the camera. So we'll see how good this works, because I'm going to use this at events also. Like for example, when the bride and the groom are finished getting married and they walk out the aisle, I'll be walking in front of them, holding this in front of them, and we'll see how good it looks. I'm going to turn the camera now, face to where I'm going. This is my car.